What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, back with another video. In this video I will be going over the first time I withdrew over 10K in profits in Forex. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so let's go proof of my account. And as you can see, alright, here's proof of my account. As you can see, withdrawals $10,700. Real account, look at the top, who goes away. My name Marquavius Rittenberry. I use my FX book to track my trades. I don't use that account like that anymore because I switched brokers. I use different brokers for different things now. Alright, like I said in the beginning, I didn't know nothing about the different brokers, who goes way, you know, basically trading against you. Even though I still like who goes way, they still you know, trade against you. All right, now let's go here to my percentage. All right, so out of 1,341 trades, win rate 60%, lose rate 40%. To me, that's pretty good. Being 4 or 5 months in and them many trades, and I won 810 of them. That's, to me, that's good. So yeah, guys, how I did it. All right, how did I manage to withdraw over $10,000 in profits? All right, how did I do it? Okay, how did I do it? What I did was I found one strategy. All right, I found one strategy. At the time, I was off of social media. I was just super duper locked in. All right, super duper locked in into what I want to accomplish, and 10K was my number. All right, so now I have a new number, and once I hit that number, you know, I'm going to, you know, make a video about that. But you have to set goals, man. You have to set goals. You can't get caught up in social media, competing with other people. You know, some people don't believe you, you know, some people don't believe you, but at the end of the day, you know what's in your bank account. All right, you know how much money you made, you know what you need to work on. You can't, you know, depend on other people's knowledge. And in the beginning, when I first started, I lost $2,000 flat. I just had unrealistic goals in my head at the time. So once I narrow everything down, right, okay, I have to make realistic goals, hit these goals first, then go for the extra goals. All right, you can't allow people to force you to show your hand all the time. All right, because what people will do is try to take your strategy, take your knowledge, and knock you off track. Want to know every trade you take, want to hop in when you hop in. You just have to basically key in and lock in on yourself. It could be you and somebody else, right? Y'all could take the same exact trades, but that don't mean both of y'all will come out profitable. It just don't. One person can stay in the trade and hold it because they know how to hold the trade. One person can panic and get out the trade. Don't see they just don't see what you see. And it just never be the same. Like, every person look at the market differently. That's really what happened. All right, I blocked out all the noise. I blocked out everybody, blocked out everything. All right, blocked out everything, blocked out what my parents were saying. I need to go get a job, I need to go do this, do that. This is gambling. Forex is gambling. It was just so much negative stuff, y'all. But I know for a fact I wanted to do Forex. All right, reason why I wanted to do Forex was not because I seen somebody making 10K, not because I seen somebody making 20K, not because I seen somebody making $1,000 a day. It was the freedom behind Forex. It's the freedom. To me, the F in Forex, I know it's foreign exchange market, but for me, it stands for freedom, like, on everything. Because you can literally wake up whatever time, me, 9:30 in the morning, take my trades and be through for the whole day. I can go work out, I can play the game, I can see family members, you know, I can do what I want to do. And when I had a 9-to-5 job, right, I wasn't able to do that. I had to request for time off. I had to reserve all of my energy for the next day for work because the hours was crazy. I had to basically put my dreams, my vision to the side, all right, in order to actually make somebody else become rich, all right? Because when you're working for a corporation, you're making somebody else rich. Just remember that. Forex, you're your own boss. You don't have to work for nobody but yourself. And that's what I wanted to do without actually having to own a building. Because I'm going to be honest, y'all, I did have, my first business was not successful. I had a building, I had people working for me, and everything. It was not successful. So, you know, that was another dream of mine. That doesn't mean it's going to go the way that you want it to go. All right. So I lost a good amount of money before I was able to even withdraw $10,000. Okay. So it's just that simple. You have to understand that it's a process. All right. It's a process. It comes with dedication. It comes with grind. It comes with, you know, practice, back testing, day in, day out, late nights, early mornings. Like, it comes with that. Like, my parents could not understand why was I getting up early in the morning with no money to trade, but I was on demo at the time, and, you know, getting my strategy together, getting my mindset together, getting the feel of what it's gonna be like when I don't have a job, what I'm gonna be able to do, like how I'm going to move around. That was it for me. That's what I had to do. And a lot of people want to wait till they get a certain amount of money to start, you know, practicing or throw money in there. I didn't do that. I did not do that. I said, okay, I lost 2,000. I'm gonna put 2,000 back in there. So what I did was open up a demo account with $2,000, traded it for a month or two like it was real. Got up every morning, London session. Went to sleep, woke back up, went to work, came back. Like, I was not doing the norm. Like, I was really trying to learn Forex the fastest way possible. All right, that's really the fastest way you're gonna learn Forex. Just putting information to your brain all day. That's how you're gonna learn it. Keep practicing information every day. Learn something new every day about Forex. Every day. Don't hit a certain level, get comfortable. Oh, I made this amount of money, so I'm finna, you know, relax. No, you have to keep going. You will lose. You have to keep going. Like, you just have to keep going. Just because I made 10K doesn't mean, you know, I'm finna just stop trading. No, that don't mean that. A lot of people goal in life is to make $10,000, because a lot of people will never make $10,000. All right. Now, when I say this $10,000, guys, it was literally all in kind of 1 week. Like, all right, kind of 1 week. 8,000. It was like 8,000 some change one day, and then like 2,000 some change the next day. All right, withdrew it all. And that was to me, and I withdrew it all, and I had fun with it, and I did what I wanted to do. That's the part of Forex. I paid some bills, you know. I paid some bills. I went shopping. That's the whole point of trading, is to make money, take care of bills, do what you want to do, pay taxes, you know, all that good stuff. So that is the story of me making $10,000 in the beginning stage of Forex journey. Like I say, I just stayed consistent. I didn't get discouraged. I was not the average. I'm just gonna tell you, like, I literally woke up hours before work, back test, hopped in London session, went to work, traded on my breaks, traded, you know, I learned not to trade at work. Like, it was just so much stuff that I learned in the beginning that got me to the point where I was able to make $10,000 like a couple of months down the road. All right. And I just stuck with one strategy. I did not hop from strategy to strategy, you know, person to person. I just didn't do that. That's not how you're gonna learn how to trade. All right, you can't trade off of somebody else's ideas. Our view of the market, you will not see the market the same way I see it. I can show you what I do. You can use the strategy and put your own touch on it. That's mainly what happened with a lot of people. Like, once you learn a strategy, you always gonna have to put your own touch on it, no matter what. And that's just happened. So that's how it went, guys. 10K. My mom couldn't believe it. My sister couldn't believe it. My little brother couldn't believe it. It was a good feeling because I was able to actually, give back to them. All right. I was able to give back to them. I was able to give back to myself, them what it is that I do, and just talk about it. Like, guys, I'm just grateful to even have the knowledge of Forex. There's so many people out there that's lost in the world that don't know nothing about Forex, that's working a 9-to-5 job. And when I talk about a 9-to-5 job, I do not talk about it to talk down on nobody. But at the end of the day, you are selling yourself short, all right? Because you should not have to ask for permission to go see your family or go on a vacation or to come back from a break longer, be told when to go on break, all right? And if you late to work, they cut you off like that. So your bills and everything is in somebody else's hand. So that's why I stuck with Forex. It's for the freedom. If you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Instagram will be below. Check that out for information on my scanner. Other than that, I'm out.